Here we have a 1998 Sea Ray 180 Sport, located here at SkipperBud's in Madison. This boat does come with a Bimini top. This boat is also equipped with the 3.0 Mercruiser stern drive. You have your ski tow hookup right here, as well as your transom ladder. All right, let's hop on in and take a look at the interior. Moving on to the interior of the 98 Sea Ray 180 Sport. Notice you have dual bucket seats in the rear. And you also have forward and aft facing cockpit seats. These do fold out and convert into a lounger on both sides. You have a lockable glove box here. Compass with all your gauges. There's a bolster seat included for the driver. Spacious bow seating area. Integrated cup holders. All right, and that's it for the 1998 Sea Ray 180 Sport, located here at SkipperBud's in Madison.